So guys, I'm starting the video off different today because it's a beautiful day outside and I just wanted you guys to see it. Today is going to be a vlog cycle with me. I'm trying to hurry up and clean the room and have some clothes to fold before it's time to go get our daughter from school. So as you go through the video, you'll see that didn't happen. I had to stop halfway through get tidy in the room, and we had to run out to go pick our daughter up from school. And then once we got back, I finished cleaning and did the laundry. But we had a busy day of errands. I didn't film all that, but today was a busy day. But welcome guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Leave me a like and a comment. I'm so happy to have you guys here, and I hope you stay tuned for the rest of the video. Hey, come here. Come here. How was school?
Fine.
Okay. You enjoyed yourself?
Yes.
Okay.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed.
it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't yet. Until next time, have a blessed day, blessed week, blessed month, and a fabulous year. I love y'all. Mwah.